The Competition Commission of India, which is the monopoly watchdog, has found cement companies guilty of cartelization. The watchdog has reason to believe that cement companies colluded to manipulate prices. A fine to the tune of 8% of the company's average turnover of 3 years has been slapped on them. ACC, Ultratech, Ambuja are expected to be worst hit. ET Now's Devdatta Das now joins us with more details. Devdatta, this could be a huge blow for companies. After a few years now, they've been finally found guilty. Take us through what exactly was said.
Absolutely. In fact, it will be one of the biggest orders that has come out of the Competition Commission of India. Remember, earlier orders have restricted themselves to just about a 5% of 3 years average turnover to penalize companies. That was DLF, that biggest hit. But as far as the cement cartel report is concerned, it's an investigation that was going on from 2010 onwards. It died down in the middle given the fact that the CCI wasn't very conducively able to figure out or point out, as far as evidence is concerned, how this cartelization was happening. But after the SFIO back in October 2011 submitted its report, which found the top 3 companies, Ambuja, Ultratech and ACC, colluding, the management colluding to form a cartel, the entire probe got momentum. And not only that, besides the 3 initial companies that I just talked about, there were 36 other companies involved in the probe, which makes it the entire industry basically. And after probing very deeply, the CCI seems to have found that there is enough evidence to find them guilty. Not only that, while the order is still to be uploaded on the website, we have reason to believe that it's an 8% that has been levied. Not only that, it's a cease and desist order, which means that not only will they have to pay the penalty, they will also have to stop this whole practice of cartel formation. Otherwise, they can land themselves in deeper trouble. I'm talking about several other companies who have been penalized. Remember, there are almost 10 companies that have now been penalized. The top 10, which hold more than 65% of India's cement market, be it the 3 names that I gave, also India Cements as well as Madras Cements.
Let's actually get a market perspective to what you're saying, Devdatta. Let's get a market perspective. From our research desk, we've got a view from Navneet on what markets will read into this very important move that came after the stock market shut today.
Well, that's right. Negative verdict by CCI will impact the cement sector on the whole. Well, if you look at the major impacts that the sector will be having, the first would be the pricing power, which will get eroded if there is a negative verdict. That is, if CCI actually levies a penalty on these companies. Also, going forward, the cement companies, they will find it difficult to maintain and sustain their operating margins. If you look at the EBITDA margins for these companies from the period 2008, they've fallen drastically. In 2008, the average EBITDA margin for overall sector was 32%, which has dropped to around approximately 22% now. Also keep in mind that the future earnings will also get impacted, and well, you could expect a derating of the sector as well as of the stocks going forward. The major stocks which will get impacted would be ACC, Ambuja and Ultratech. Remember, if the penalty is in the range of 8 to 10%, that would mean wiping out more than a quarter's profit for all these companies, and there wouldn't be any immediate impact on the balance sheet or the profit and loss for the company, because you could expect these companies to challenge the competition tribunal going forward.